Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anjali. Guys, today in this video, I am going to share 5 so expressions in English. And I hope that this video is going to be interesting and helpful for you. So now let's get ready to learn all those 5 so expressions in English. Guys, but before we begin, I would like to say that if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe it, and yes, of course, click the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with here expression number 1 is. Guys, expression number 1 is or so. It means approximately. Let's see some example sentences. Alright, here example number 1 is: Today I will shoot a video. It will be about 10 minutes or so. Okay, example number 2: I am going to do my homework. It will take 30 minutes or so. Alright, so this is what about expression number 1. Now let's move on to the expression number 2. Expression number 2 is without so much as. This expression means that you expect someone will say something polite or good to you, but the reality is they did not say, and because of which you feel angry. Alright, let's see some example sentences. Here example number 1 is: My friend Alok started to use my pencil box without so much as a asking. Alright, example number 2. Example number 2 is: I dread the arrival of my friend Nihar as he disturbs my entire routine and leave the house without so much as thank you. Alright, so this is what about expression number 2. Now let's move on to the expression number 3. Expression number 3 is even so. Guys, even so means despite that. Alright, so let's see some example sentences so that you can better understand this expression. Here example number 1 is: She took her dinner 15 minutes ago. Even so, she felt famished. Alright. Example number 2. She got 90% in the exam. Even so, she was not happy. Okay. So this is what about expression number 3. Now let's move on to the expression number 4. Expression number 4 is so that. It means that is why. Okay? What it means? That is why. Let's see some example sentence so that you can better understand this expression. From now onwards, I will do exercise and yoga so that I can stay fit and fine. Alright? Example number 2. Learn 2 words each day so that you can expand your vocabulary knowledge. Alright? So this is what about expression number 4. Now let's move on to the expression number 5. Expression number 5 is every so often. Guys, this expression means sometimes. Alright, let's see some example sentences so that you can better understand this expression. Okay, so here Example number 1 is, every so often I organize my clothes in the cupboard. Alright. Example number 2. Example number 2 is, Ria color her hairs every so often. Alright, so these are the 5 so expressions that I really wanted to share with you guys. I hope you like this. If you really did, then please let me know in the comment section. It will be a great pleasure for me to read them. And yes, of course, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will come soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.